Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop today. Hey, today I want to talk about replacement batteries for your tools. There's a lot of things been talked about replacement batteries, about the quality's not the same, the safety's not the same, they don't last as long. But here's the one thing that's the truth about it: they don't cost as much either. So today I just want to show you, see, I have a whole line of Ryobi tools and I love Ryobi tools. They're great tools, especially for around the house. And, I even see them in the field that a lot of people use. But, when the batteries die and, one battery costs you $100 to replace, that sure makes people think twice about having that tool line or any other tool line that, batteries have just gotten really crazy in price. And if you catch them on sale, it's great. But if you don't, you could spend $100. Well, I have a solution, or what I think is a solution. I picked these up. These are lithium-ion batteries. These are 8 batteries. And the current one that died was a 4 battery. So, I start comparing, and I'm like, I want to make sure that if these don't work on all my tools, that, I could get my money back. And so I had 30 days to try these out. So what I was just showing, or want to show you, is some comparisons. So they're about the same size, thickness wise. They have the same format, so they do fit. You see all these tools here? I have a orbital sander, a jigsaw, my nail gun, drill, saw, radio, and I have some others too. But just to show you a few of what I have. And this battery works just fine in all of them, even the charger. You can even charge it in your Ryobi charger. So the difference is this one, I think at the time of the video, was about 70, 80 bucks for one, depending on where you bought it. This one comes as a set of 2 for 30 bucks, and you get free shipping. So I want to just, kind of demo that these do work, and they work in all your tools. So, even these. I think I even tested how long would it take to charge them. They charge about the same as any other lithium-ion battery. Now here's where the difference is. The difference is this battery comes with a 3-year warranty from Ryobi. If at the time that you buy it, you make sure that you register it on Ryobi's website. And it's not really difficult, but a lot of people just in a hurry and they never do, and then they don't think about it until the battery's dead. And then they may call, or maybe they just recycle it. I don't know. But if you call and you haven't registered your tools with Ryobi, the warranty's no good. I mean, it's not good at all. They won't do anything for you. And not that their warranties are not good. Their warranties are good if you follow the process. When you buy a Ryobi tool, please make sure you take a picture of the receipt immediately. Then go to their website and make sure that you get the tool registered. Once you do that, you're golden. Anything happens to that tool, they're either going to fix it or replace it. Same thing with the batteries. You register these and these die before 3 years, and you've got it all done, then they're going to stand by their product. So I don't want you to think that they don't stand by your product. But what I do want to tell you is that with the economy today and people's budgets, money can be tight for a lot of people, and they may not be able to afford to spend $100 or near that for a battery. When you can pick this set up for 30 bucks, free shipping to your home, And they have the same features, the same safety ratings as the Ryobi battery, and the same everything. This is an 8H battery, 8AH battery. This is a 4. So you're going to get a little longer runtime here. The difference is, like I said, the Ryobis have a 3-year warranty. This one comes with a 1-year warranty. But these are a third of the price, and you get 2 instead of 1. So, if you're budget minded, or maybe things are tight, or here's what I've even seen. I see guys coming on the job site, maybe not with Ryobi tools, but like Milwaukee tools or other tools, and they're running replacement batteries on them. And they're doing it because companies have realized that these batteries, even if they last a third of the time, they're a third of the price. And what if they last more than a third of the time? Then they're way ahead of the game. Or what if one of their employees lays the tool down, walks off from a job and can't find it? Not only are they out the tool, but they're out a $100 battery. So you can see why more and more people are looking at these replacement batteries. Anyway, my opinion is I've used them in my Ryobi tools. They work just fine. They're a third of the price. They have a 1-year warranty on them. I'm going to put a link down below in the description of the video. So if you're interested, you can go check these out too. Hopefully this has been helpful. If it was, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Share this with your friends and family. And until the next video, stay safe. And this is a blooper.